So I came here to fill up petrol here at Mount Cook. Thing is, you need to go to the hotel to get authorization or pay their head, and then you need to wait for that guy. Thing is, I was lining up here trying out my card, and that van on the other side, he didn't even tell me that we need to pay ahead. This guy here is a legend. He told me that we need to go to the hotel and pay there. Such pricks there. Okay, cool off. Yeah. Hala ka bastos, no? Kayak. Okay, I'm hiking towards can't see, towards the Tasman Valley jetty, and it's really dark. I'm testing out this thing. I'm testing out this red headlamp, this red light here for hiking, because the good thing about this is that it maintains your night vision. You can see the ground, you can see the sky, keeps your night vision active, so that's awesome. I really like it. Okay, the worst thing to do now is to hike into that rocky trail that I did hike earlier, and these are big badass rocks. You see there? Oh, you can't see it. Let me just switch to red. If I can switch to red, could have better. So yeah, as you can see, it's really crappy terrain up here. I'm going to need my white lap. Okay, this is the future me who's going to talk to you right now, because I didn't have a lot of footage that night. I went out shooting in the dark. It was pitch black. You have to walk through the rocks and everything else. And yeah, the thing is, we had good photos, and I'm going to show them to you later. The thing is, it was just a simple camera on a tripod shot. What I did was I just used this Tamron 17-28 wide lens, set it on manual focus, try to focus on the stars, that way it's going to be clear, and set it to around, I think it was around 10 to 20 for the shutter speed. Set the camera facing the right direction, of course, and then did a timer, 2 second, 3 second. When I press the shutter, it's going to shoot it within 2 to 3 seconds, because the thing is, I don't want the camera to shake whenever I take a shot. And yeah, those are the photos. You just post-process them, that's it. So it took me a while, and there was no phone signal, and the walkies went dead. So like, yeah, it took me a while to get back. And there was an instance wherein part of a glacier just fell, and it made a loud crash. And I thought there was an avalanche or something. So I ran up the rocks, and yeah, it was just nothing. Anyway, here are the photos I got. Check it out. It took me a while to finish shooting in the dark, so we got into this red house that we rented for the night. It's just an hour and a half away, so it took me a while to get here. My fault. This place is so cool. It's in Lake Tekapo, and you see some logs there, and there's a fireplace. So once you enter, you see a microwave oven. There's a chocolate there. There's the fridge, sink, stove, and this is the, let me turn the lights. So this is, oh man, see, it's wood, but this is the toilet. It's really awesome. And you go up here, you can see a couch, a table which you can fold it open, the bed's there, and a fireplace. Also, there's some logs, some firewoods up there. Awesome. This place is awesome. It's called the Red House. The other houses are here too. So yeah, that's it for now. Going to sleep now. Ooh, I stand corrected. Headlamp. The name of the place is the Red Hut. It's in Lake Tekapo. It's like a farm, mini farm thing. But it's really good. Anyway, Gotta sleep for the night. Back up the files and everything. Red hot guest housing. We're gonna light the fire and the fireplace because we're newbies. Can we close it? No, that's gonna close. Yep, that's it. Turn it around. That's it. Yeah, it's gonna go to the chimney. The chimney's up there. Yep. So we're just newbie with this fireplace thing, so please forgive us.
No, we're from a tropical country.
Yeah, we don't use fireplace. We just burn things when we burn the rubbish. Yeah. Yeah. Fireplace was first time for us. Didn't know what to do. Just tried it. It was fun. Went to sleep. Didn't remember anything. I just went to sleep. Yeah. See you in the next one.